Laker fans, mukhang kailangan nyo ng mamili. LeBron James or Austin Reeves. At may mga balita tungkol dito kay LeBron James na hindi masyado maganda. Naku, medyo hindi yata siya trip ni Jenny Bass. Muntik pa siya matrade. Speaking of trade, gusto ko lang pag-usapan natin dito. Giannis Antetokounmpo, nako, isa rin ito. Baka matrade din ito. Kanina, napanood ko yung laro sa Disney Plus. Bucks versus OKC. Tinambakan lang naman ang Bucks. Pero ang nakakapagtaka dito, napapansin ko, parang hindi naman ganyan yung laruan ni Giannis. Hindi po pangit ang laro niya, pero parang hindi siya masyado na-exert ng effort. Ma-trade kaya siya? Or parang tinatamad siya kasi yung teammates niya parang kulang. Ang baba ng ranking nila ngayon. Eh. So pag-uusapan po natin yan, pati po yung nangyari sa mga laro ngayon sa NBA na pinanood ko po sa Disney Plus. At syempre yung mga analysis, mga rumors, ESPN pregame show. Yan lagi pinapanood ko. Kaya marami akong alam. Kaya marami akong kwento sa inyo pagkatapos ng intro na to.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
What's up guys? Pausalud pa ako Sports and ito po yung ating NBA game recap. Pag-usapan muna natin yung mga nangyari ngayong araw na ito. 122-102, it was not a very good game for the Milwaukee Bucks. All throughout the game sila po yung naghahabol and it just doesn't seem like the Bucks had an answer. Although si Giannis Antetokounmpo had 19 points, 8 out of 11, seems good. Yung kanyang mga teammates parang wala talaga. Parang walang gana pati si Giannis, no? Buti pa si SGA got 40 big points. Itong si SGA. Kaya naman sabi ni SGA after the game gusto daw nila mag-champion. Pwede naman. Pwede sila mag-champion, lakas kaya nila. After that, that's not the main concern. After that, nako na pag-usapan tuloy itong si Giannis Antetokounmpo, parang may mangyayari. Parang lalong nag-i-intensify yung potential na matrade siya. Speaking of trade, pag-usapan muna natin ito. Ito po yung mga laro kanina. So, kanina napanood ko rin yung Hornets versus Cavs sa Disney Plus, 94-87. This was a good game. At ito yung isa sa bago kong favorite dito. Itong si Jalen Tyson, 14 points. But Donovan Mitchell, 24 big points. At tinalo nila ang Charlotte Hornets, 94-87. The rest of the games that had happened today sa NBA, of course, the Celtics, my Celtics, ang lakas ni Sam Hauser dito. Jaylen Brown, of course, contributing. Nakabawi sila sa Indiana Pacers, 119-104. The Knicks defeating, oh my God, dinurog nila yung Brooklyn Nets, 120-66. Is this even a score? 120-66. It is true. 10 points lang ang Brooklyn in the last quarter. Wow, man, that's really something. And let's go ahead and look at the other games. Pistons and the Pelicans, 112-104. The Grizzlies and the Hawks, matinding labanan din. Hawks panalo dyan, 124-122. And of course, I did tell you about the Thunders and the Bucks. And Kings and Raptors, 122-109. The Raptors, ang ganda rin ang laro ni Brandon Ingram. Ito, speaking of trade, maganda ang pagkakuha sa kanya ng Toronto Raptors. It seems like the Toronto Raptors is doing great, 27-19. I mean, they're not the best team in the East, or at least they're one of the best team, pero okay pa rin ang laruan. Speaking of okay ang laruan, okay ang laro ni Giannis. Now, let me ask you this. Naisip ko lang bigla, no? Ito, isang nariling sa kanyang team, Warriors. Right? Yung Warriors is also having a problem because injury lahat. May maraming injury. Si Kuminga, sabi ng iba, hindi daw deserve ni Stephen Curry yung ganun team. Si Giannis din ganun. Kaya nalilink siya sa Warriors. It's possible na, yung Bucks would trade for the Warriors for the rest of the team para lang mabuo yung Stephen Curry and Giannis Antetokounmpo. Sina Jimmy Butler, basta lahat, kahit wala lahat yan, na Draymond Green, Madrid. So what makes sense? The question is, would it make sense for Giannis to move to the Warriors, or maybe Stephen Curry goes to the Bucks? Kasi pareho silang franchise at pareho silang kumbaga loyal. Yan, this would be a big change and another something na parang yung nung nakita natin si Klay Thompson for the first time in a different jersey, parang napaka-weird. So this could be something. Sa akin, I would rather have Giannis go to the Warriors. I think Warriors is the better franchise. For me, at least for Filipino fans. Speaking of the other thing, kukwento ko sa inyo itong Genie Bus situation. So, allegedly, naglalabasan yung balita ngayon. I don't know bakit biglang ngayon lumalabas porket may mga trade rumors. Parang sinyalis na yata, no? Na may mangyayaring kakaiba sa Los Angeles Lakers. The Los Angeles Lakers is still a good team, but I don't think they're gonna be a championship team. And they're gonna have to make a big decision. LeBron James and Austin Reeves, I think both 1 year into their contract na lang. And one of them, sabi, kailangan daw mamili because of the money situation. So, ang tanong, sino pipiliin mo? The legend that is LeBron James? Or the young and malaki pa, mahaba pa ang potential na si Austin Reeves? It's up to you. Sino? At ititrade mo ba sila ngayon where you can still get something out of it? Kasi here's the question. Yan yung ginagawa usually ng mga teams. Pag 1 year na lang at pakiramdam nila ayaw na sa kanila ng player, kaysa masayang, kasi syempre hindi na mag-renew sa'yo, wala kang kapalit, itinitrade na yan para may kapalit. And usually, ititrade yan doon sa team na gusto rin siya at para may kapalit lang. Diba? So, what do you think should the Lakers do? If it's me, I would retain Austin Reeves. I mean, LeBron James, the legends, talagang maraming na ano yan. Pero, I'm gonna think about the future. LeBron James, I do not know how long he intends to play. He can play. Ang hirap din kasi, ang galing pa rin ni LeBron James, no? Pero parang, Austin Reeves, LeBron James, this will go down in history. Papipiliin ka, sino? I do not know. You guys gotta help me. I'm thinking Austin Reeves because I'm thinking of the future and maybe Austin Reeves is much cheaper than LeBron James para makakuha ng ng iba pang upgrade. But let me know what you think. Basta ako, one thing is for sure, all of these games, lalo ng mga paborito kong laro, pinapanood ko yan sa Disney Plus. And you can also watch your favorite NBA games sa Disney Plus just like I do. So, kita tayo sa next game sa Disney Plus. And of course, you can watch all of the Disney and the Marvel movies there as well. But let me know what you think. LeBron James, Austin Reeves sa comment section, or Giannis Antetokounmpo to the Warriors, or maybe Stephen Curry to the Bucks. It will be a crazy trade deadline for sure. Let me know what you think.